Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to write a resume. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Now let's start. So first you have to go to any web browser and then search for ChatGPT here. Now you should create an account if you don't have one and then go directly to ask anything. Here what you're going to do is you have to write, can you write a resume for me? And ChatGPT will give you this basic information that you need to give full attention in order to create a good resume. Now go to that specific site and then copy that job description. Go back to ChatGPT and then here you have to right click and then paste that job description that you have copied earlier. However, at the beginning, you need to enter your information or some of your information could be your answer to their job description. Okay. And then once you have added that, you can just also do some editing here if you want, delete or add. Then you need to tap enter. So as you can see here, ChatGPT can create or write a resume for you. And basically, ChatGPT will generate a customized resume by aligning your personal information experience with the specific job description provided and the information that you have provided, ensuring a perfect match between your qualifications and the employer's requirements. So, by analyzing the job description and also the details that you have provided, ChatGPT will craft a tailored resume that highlights your most relevant skills and experiences. Now select all, copy, go to Microsoft Word, and then paste. And all you have to do here is just to provide your name, email address, number, and so on. So basically, that's how easy it is to use ChatGPT to write a resume. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.